you might have noticed something new on my handlebar, which is this specific mount. So if you remember, I had a different kind of mount here, right in the center of the handlebar. That's where I used to mount my 360 cam or the GoPro itself if I wanted a different view perspective. But during my Mysore trip, the Kabini trip a few months back, somebody managed to flick it when I parked the bike near the Kabini backwaters. That was a GoPro handlebar mount, which has the typical screw kind of a thing. So I lost my mount there. After that, I picked up this one, which is again a handlebar mount, but this uses a Allen key kind of a mounting thing. But somehow I was not happy. Like if I really want to mount and unmount the camera quickly, or if I'm in a hurry, like it'll be like a tedious process to open the Allen key from your pocket and then remove the camera and like again when you're back mounted back. So I just grabbed this new mount. This is the one. This is basically the jaw mount or the jaw clamp, I think that's what they call. Not really a original GoPro jaw clamp because that cost a few thousand. This one I picked it up from GTHouse in Pune. They are the only ones who had this in stock, and this cost I think about some 600 rupees, 599 or 600 rupees. There are two options available. One is just this jaw clamp, and another one is it's called something like a gooseneck, which is like a flexible, maybe you can call like a mini monopod kind of a thing, which you can attach on top of this, and to the end of that gooseneck is where you can attach the camera, so the camera will come somewhere here. I didn't wanted that part of it because I somehow felt that it'll be a little bit distracting when you're riding, and most of the time I don't keep it on this particular camera. I just see if there is something interesting seen behind me. That's when I want to do it, like what you might witness today. But apart from that, I think this one is good. It's extremely strong, and it looks like a very good quality one, and it's a typical clamp system. I've used the GoPro mount itself to attach this. So if I'm getting off the bike and I'm going, I just remove it, put it back in my bike and go off. So that's why I have started using this. Probably I would say this is like a first trip where I'm using this to check if it works out the way I want. But I'll probably retain this for some time. I'll just see if I can mount my Samsung 360-degree camera on this one, and if it does not obstruct the view or anything. If it does, then I'll remove this and I'll retain this specific jaw clamp here whenever I'm ready. If not, the search continues for an ideal bar mount which is easy to use, as well as something which people don't flick when you leave the bike in a remote place and go. That's one specific reason why I don't park my bike when I go to some new places and I go away from there.